as promised, here's a brief explanation on perspective drawing. Right now, I only want to focus on 1 point perspective and save 2 point and 3 point for another video, since I know you guys are very interested in figuring this stuff out. So here are the basic rules to perspective. So first, what you want to do is find your horizon line or make your horizon line. The next step is to place your vanishing point. This is where all objects, all things are going to converge to this point. Next, place your object. I decided to place it on the horizon line because I like to be weird. After that, draw guidelines from the corners of your box to your vanishing point. These are perspective lines, and they're also our guide to visualizing different dimensions. You want to indicate where the back of your object ends, and then you want to make sure that you draw the remaining sides and connect the points where the lines intersect. To get familiar with perspective, try to draw boxes like this above and below the horizon line. One final tip. Know the difference between converging and non-converging planes. What I mean by this is converging planes always follow the rules of perspective, while planes with parallel and perpendicular lines do not. If you're ever confused about the rules of perspective, try tracing over a reference like the one I have here. Using a ruler and the edges of the buildings, draw guidelines to the center of your page, and where the lines intersect is your vanishing point. If you want to get perspective drawing a try, I made some practice sheets that you can use for free. They're down below in my description box, and I also made a guide for those of you who maybe want to replicate the city landscape that I drew. So that's also available for free. Like I said, just check the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.